To show you how to make $5 every day on SproutGig, and SproutGig is previously known as Pi Coworkers. And if I open up a new tab and put in SproutGigs on my browser, it's going to bring me to this page, and you get to see where it says SproutGigs, previously Pi Coworkers, right here. And this is actually a platform where you get to make money online just by completing simple, easy tasks. So if I literally come right here, you're going to see that there are lots of people making money on SproutGig. You can see this person made $5, this one made $58, and if I scroll down here, you're going to see this person made $2,000 right here. This one made $1,000 here. This one made $151. This one made $633. So there are lots of people making money here on SproutGig. And if you actually stay and watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you easy tasks that you can do here on SproutGigs to literally make the most amount of money on this platform right here. So if you don't have an account yet, the next step is to click on the sign up button. Click on sign up, and you have something like this on your screen where it says put in your real name, put in your email address, you need to put in your password, you need to confirm your password as well, then you need to select your nickname, you need to select your